Hello students, I am back with another video lesson. So continuing our series of the alphabet lessons, we are going to deal with another important topic which is vowels and consonants. Before starting the lesson, I would like to tell you that if you have any doubt regarding the fundamentals of alphabet, you can visit my previous class which is on my YouTube channel. So now let us start the lesson. So what this lesson called vowels and consonant. So let us begin with the fundamentals of this chapter. The letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. They help us to make words. Students, as we have learned in our previous class, that the letters are the building blocks of any language. Letter forms words, words forms sentences, and sentences forms the लैंग्वेज. मतलब कि लेटर्स जो होते हैं वो किसी भी लैंग्वेज के बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक होते हैं, यानी कि सबसे छोटी इकाई होते हैं, और उन्हीं इकाइयों को जोड़कर हम लोग पहले वर्ड्स को बनाते हैं, वर्ड्स से सेंटेंसेस बनते हैं और सेंटेंसेस से पूरा लैंग्वेज बनता है. तो चलिए एक एग्जांपल लेकर देखते हैं. सो यहाँ मैंने एक वर्ड लिखा है कैट. C-A-T, cat. So as you can see that these three letters combine to form a word. Now I'll write another word which is rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. So these are the 5 letters which combines, there are 6 letters, R-A-B-B-I-T. These 6 letters combine to form the word rabbit. तो मैंने क्या बोला था कि सबसे फंडामेंटल होते हैं लेटर्स. लेटर्स से बनते हैं वर्ड्स, वर्ड्स से बनते हैं सेंटेंसेस, और सेंटेंसेस से बनता है लैंग्वेज. तो चलिए वर्ड्स को कंबाइन करके एक सेंटेंसेस बनाते हैं. माई नेम इज रोहित. सो बच्चों, यहाँ क्या है? माई एक वर्ड है, नेम एक वर्ड है, इज एक वर्ड है, रोहित एक वर्ड है. तो देखिए यहाँ ये पहला वर्ड, ये दूसरा वर्ड, ये तीसरा वर्ड और ये चौथा वर्ड. इन चारों वर्ड्स को कंबाइन करके हमने एक सेंटेंस बनाया. अब इस वर्ड को भी अगर हम लोग फर्दर ब्रेक डाउन करें, इफ़ वी फर्दर ब्रेक डाउन these words, we will find that M is a letter, Y is a letter, name is a letter, N is a letter, A is a letter, M is a letter, E is a letter, I is a letter, S is a letter, and similarly R, O, H, I, T. All of these are the letters which form the word, and word has formed the sentences here. So when we say that they help us to make words, so this meant that letters combine to form the words, whether be it vowels or consonant. तो हम लोगों ने पढ़ा कि vowels जो कि अल्फ़ाबेट में A, E, I, O, U हैं वो vowels हैं. तो बाकी के बचे जो लेटर्स हैं जैसे B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z, ये सारे जो लेटर्स हैं दीज आर कॉल्ड कॉन्सोनेंट्स. तो इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट को हम लोगों ने 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया. इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट, वॉवल्स एंड कॉन्सोनेंट्स. वॉवल्स में आ गए A, ई, आई, ओ, यू, और रिमेनिंग जो लेटर्स हैं, remaining letters, they are consonant such as B, C, D, F, etc. तो हम लोगों ने ये तो जान लिया कि वॉवल्स क्या होते हैं और कॉन्सोनेंट्स क्या होते हैं, पर कभी हम लोगों ने ये सोचा कि ये पांचों लेटर्स ही वॉवल्स क्यों हैं और ये कॉन्सोनेंट क्यों हैं? तो चलिए जानते हैं। Letters which can be spoken alone are called vowels. मतलब कि ऐसे लेटर्स जिनके प्रोनाउंसिएशन में हमें किसी दूसरे लेटर के हेल्प की ज़रूरत ना पड़े, उन्हें हम वॉवल कहते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ वी से ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू, so these are vowels, and these vowels are being directly pronounced with the help of our throat. And for the pronunciation of these letters, we do not require the help of any letter. This will be more clear when I will teach you the concept of consonants and how they are pronounced. So let us see what is consonant. So letters which cannot be spoken alone are called consonants. For example, let us say B. B, when we speak B, what happens is that we have to take the help of our lips. Similarly, when we speak C, so while speaking C, we have to touch our tongue with our teeth. Moreover, while writing B, C, D, F, etc., we require the help of one or more vowels, and that is why they cannot be pronounced alone. Either we require two or more organs, and we require the help of a vowel to pronounce. Let us now quickly summarize. So our vowels were A, E, I, O, U, and the consonants were B, C, D, F, G, H, etc. Vowels were 5 in number and consonants are 21 in number. Vowels can be spoken alone without the help of any other letter, while consonants require the help of other letter. So children, I have designed a small exercise for you all. Let us do it one by one. So here, see, here we have to find out that which are vowels and which are consonant. For vowels, we have to encircle those letters, and the consonants we have to underline. So A is our vowel, so we encircle it. B is a consonant, underline. C is a consonant, underline. D is a consonant, underline. E is our vowel. F is consonant, G is consonant, H is consonant, I is vowel, J is consonant, K is consonant, L is consonant, M is consonant, N is consonant, O is vowel. Similarly, P is consonant, Q is consonant, R, S, T, etc. These are consonant. U is vowel. V is consonant, W is consonant, X is consonant, Y is consonant, and Z is consonant. So now we are done with the concept of vowels and consonant. Now there is one more concept, that is semi vowel. मतलब सेमी वॉवल ऐसे वर्ड्स को कहते हैं जो कभी कभी वॉवल्स के तौर पर यूज़ होते हैं और कभी कभी कॉन्सोनेंट के तौर पर यूज़ होते हैं. और ऐसे लेटर्स हैं W and Y. These two letters are pronounced as these two letters are called semi-vowel. Let us see why. Suppose we write W, wood with W. Here W is pronounced as wood. The sound is V. So here W is a consonant. But when we write crow, here the sound of W comes as O. Crow. The sound comes as O. So here W is a vowel. Okay. So I hope I am clear. So let us keep this lesson up to here. I will coming up with more basic videos like this, and to keep and to learn more to learn from videos like this, you should continue to watch the upcoming videos, and for that do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.